guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. Buitenbeentje. Let's talk my comfortable cardigan by Knipmode of my full fashion mood board building blocks back to basics. I know it's a lot, right? So the pattern is pattern number 7 and it is from the September issue of 2016. The sizing from the Knipmode are European sizing and they go from size 34 up to 54. I made size 34. The pattern consists of 4 to 5 pattern pieces, which is the front, the back, the sleeve, the pockets, and as an option you can make a belt. Pattern is a stretchy fabric pattern, and so the recommended fabric is a stretchy fabric. Yes, it is for stretchy fabric, but you can get away with just non-stretchy fabric. The difficulty of the pattern is a level 2, and I did use my serger for this pattern to really take care of the seams. 15 steps to success, and the only thing that I would say is definitely use interfacing for the shoulder seam, so you would so it wouldn't stretch out of its form. So I definitely used that right here, as you can see, and so I used it on both. So I did interface this piece right here, and I interfaced the pockets as well. So if you turn it, you can see that it's interfaced just to give it some more structure, because it's just patch pockets. Let's go to my favorite part of the video, which is the fit. This is the comfy cardigan by Knipmode. It just has 2 patch pockets right here. Those are the ones that I used interfacing in order to make them a little more, for them to keep their shape. And other than that, I just use a twin needle to do the hem and to work on the, or to hem the cardigan as well as the sleeves. This should be recognizable. This is the Alice shirt by Seamwork. This skirt here is a skirt that I made last year of my full fashion mood board of 2018. This is a platter pencil skirt by Knipmode, and I just matched it with my thigh-high boots by Van Haren. So let's just get on the stool as tradition. And you can see how I style the entire outfit. I'm just using this cardigan as a layering piece, and it's just something that, because it's kind of neutral, the gray with white, it could go with whatever you would like. And so this is it. If you would like more info on the skirt, I'll definitely put an eye right there so you can check it out, as well as the Alice shirt. I'll also put a eye card right there so you can check that out. And this is the 3rd time I'm making this cardigan. This cardigan, I have a video on it, a little more in depth, and that is also on the eye right there. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid, comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey, and have a great day. Bye.